Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get the glossy effect on Roblox mobile. First, open Roblox Studio on your mobile device. Then, select the specific part or object you wish to make glossy. It's important to ensure your device meets the minimum specifications for optimal performance, as this will provide the smoothest experience when applying and viewing the effect. This initial setup is key to a successful outcome. Next, navigate to the Properties window for your chosen object. Here, you will find the Material property. Click on it to reveal a list of available materials. For the best glossy base, select a reflective material such as smooth plastic or metal. These materials naturally support a shiny appearance, providing an excellent foundation for the effect you want to achieve. Now, let's fine-tune the shine. Adjust the reflectance property to a value between 0.5 and 1 for a strong, noticeable gloss. Then, modify the transparency property to a value between 0 and 0.2. This maintains visibility while adding that desired sheen. Remember to experiment with these values to perfectly match your vision. Finally, lighting is crucial for making your glossy effect truly pop. Ensure your game's overall lighting settings are optimized for reflections. Consider adding point light or spotlight objects very close to your glossy parts to enhance their shine. For even more realistic reflections, utilize environment maps to capture and display the surrounding scenery on your shiny surfaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.